Hey everybody, CNS Airsoft coming at you. We have a quick unboxing today, and you'll see with the title below, it's going to be the Rapid Fire 2 from E-Pike. Alright, here we go. So we got a couple extra things in the order, but definitely the only thing we're going to be going over is the Rapid Fire itself. In the box, we have instruction manual, which is always fun to read. It looks like we have the suppressor right here as well. That they package a little too good. Surprisingly enough, it actually has a bit of weight to it. It was a little bit bigger than expected, but it looks great. Oh, it looks like we have a mini grip for the front and the rubber butt. Alright, and here it is itself. It's actually a little bit shorter than anticipated, which is perfectly fine. The reason I like it is because you do have a close quarter combat rifle if you have close quarter fields or anything like that. FPS, I don't know the exact numbers on it, so we'll link it in the actual video without the suppressor. With the suppressor, it will actually increase the FPS. I don't know if I have to put a different muzzle on this or something along the lines of that. I have to get that figured out later. But it'll actually has an inner barrel inside. So it'll increase the FPS and you'll get a little bit better accuracy as well when you go out to the field. If you have any questions or comments or concerns, you can go ahead and leave a comment below and we'll get back to you as soon as possible. Thank you, YouTube. Have a good one.